Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start now, get the phone app and the Mac client installed before you proceed. You'll choose connection type. USB gives lowest latency. Wi-Fi is easiest. Bluetooth is wireless but slower. Once the apps are installed, pair devices or enable USB debugging on Android. On iPhone, trust the Mac when prompted. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network if using that method. Confirm microphone permissions on the phone app so audio capture. Now connect and route audio so your Mac hears the phone. Open the phone app and start the server or broadcast. Note the IP and port if shown. On the Mac, open System Settings, then Sound and pick the new phone device as input. If you plan to use it in Zoom or OBS, open that app's audio settings and select the phone input there too. For USB, choose the phone's interface. For Wi-Fi, enter the IP in the Mac client. Adjust gain on the phone app to prevent clipping. Finish by testing and locking in settings so the mic is reliable. Do a recording or call to check levels and listen for latency. Lower buffer to reduce delay, raise it to fix dropouts. Make sure sample rate matches your Mac app, 44, 1 or 48 kHz. If you don't hear audio, verify firewall rules that both devices share the same network and that the Mac client has microphone permission. As a quick fix, restart the phone app, relaunch the Mac client, or switch to USB if Wi-Fi misbehaves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.